Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add audio source in OBS. To get that done, the first thing you need to do is to launch the OBS Studio on your computer, which of course I have done right here. First off, you need to select a scene in the scenes panel. If you don't have an existing scene, click on the plus icon to create one. Then head over to the sources panel and click on the plus icon. Click on that to add a new source. In here, go ahead and select audio input capture. Then enter a name for your audio input source. It could be microphone or whatever, and click on OK. In the properties window, choose your microphone or audio input device from the device drop-down menu. These could be set to the microphone that is here, and once you're done, click on OK. In the audio mixer panel, which is here, you will see the audio input source listed. So if you can find that, I'm just going to click on unhide all. So that's not coming up, but it should come up sooner or later. It should come up, right? So once it comes up, use the slider, just like the slider right here, to adjust the volume of the microphone to your desired level. Adding an audio output device is also necessary, which is desktop audio. How to do that? Head over to sources again. Click on the plus icon and click on audio output capture. Enter a name for it and click on OK. In the properties window, go ahead and select either your speakers or your headphone, whichever one you want to do, and click on OK. Once you're done, in the audio mixer panel, you'll see the audio output source listed. Use the slider to adjust the volume of the desktop audio to your preferred level. Now let's say our sources are not being enabled here or in our audio mixer. They're not being displayed. If they're not and it's a concern to you, just go ahead and click on settings at the bottom right corner of your screen. And it's going to open up the settings window. So over here, go ahead and click on audio. And the global devices, you're going to have to enable these if it is not disabled. So click on desktop audio and select that to the speaker HP which you selected, and click on desktop audio and select the other one, or just click on default. Click on default and click on the speaker, and once you're done, click on apply and click on OK. After doing that, then the audio sources will now be displayed under the audio mixer panel. Click on apply, click on OK, which will need to save your changes. These steps will add and configure audio sources in OBS Studio. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.